the beginning of the meeting. So let us all start with the IMA prayer. So IMA prayer. May everybody be happy. May everybody be healthy. May everybody be free from pain. May everybody be free from sorrow. May be the healing cure beyond every greed and lure. Next, we have the flag salute to the Indian flag. We, the doctors of the Indian Medical Association, stand here to salute our national flag. Its honor and glory shall be our light and strength. Its course shall be our course, and we pledge our allegiance to it. We realize our responsibilities as accredited members of this national organization. We swear we will dedicate everything in our power to see the national flag fly high amongst all nations. Jai Hind. Long live IMA. Now we will maintain 1 minute of silence, remembering all the doctors who have fought the brave war and have rested in peace due to COVID. So, remembering all the COVID warriors who have lost their lives, 1 minute silence, please. Now, the next program is remembering the COVID warriors who had lost their lives, but now we are going to congratulate and celebrate the brave COVID warriors who have fought the disease and who continue to fight the disease and keep us COVID free. So, Dr. Divya Saxena, Chairperson of Mission Pink Health, over to you. I'll stop sharing my screen so you can take on yours.
Thank you, Dr. Nirmala. I'm really proud to have the honors to announce the names of all the COVID warriors who have been awarded for their relentless services for the mankind during this COVID pandemic. As the world faced the unprecedented crisis of COVID-19, it has been our doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers who have cemented their position as the foremost champions of humanity, saving humankind as well. A salute to their courage, valor, and selflessness in serving the society. No words are enough to express our gratitude towards all the COVID warriors who risk their lives to save the lives of others. Today, we are going to honor few of our doctor colleagues who serve the nation selflessly during this pandemic. I would request Honorable National President Dr. Jailal Sir to honor all of them. I would start sharing my screen and one by one the names of all the COVID warriors from different states. So these are the COVID warriors from different states who are being awarded as COVID warriors. Number 1 is Dr. V. Sujata from Jamal Mugdu, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations, Dr. V. Sujata, for being awarded as COVID warrior. Sir, please do the honors. And definitely it is going to be virtual. And later on, we will be able to send all the certificates and awards to all of you. Second, I am calling Dr. Punita Hasija ma'am from Faridabad, Haryana, for her tremendous efforts towards all the COVID patients and towards doctors who were serving COVID patients during this pandemic. Congratulations, ma'am, for being awarded as COVID warrior. At number 3, I would name myself, and I am really thankful to Dr. Jailal sir and Dr. Jayesh Lele sir for giving me this award and for honoring me as a COVID warrior. Now, I would request to call upon Dr. Amita Ray from Giridih, Jharkhand, to be awarded as Corona Warrior. Dr. Amita Ray from Jharkhand. Congratulations, Dr. Amita Ray, for your tremendous efforts towards COVID patients. Now, it's the turn of Dr. Satyavate from Bangalore, Karnataka. Ma'am, congratulations for your services towards COVID patients. Now, I would call upon Dr. Kavita from Bhadravati, Karnataka. Congratulations again, ma'am, for being awarded as COVID warrior. Now, next is Dr. Manju Purohit from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Ma'am, my heartiest congratulations for being awarded as COVID warrior and for your services towards the patients. Now, I would call upon Dr. Vaishali Shelgaonkar, another COVID warrior from Nagpur, Maharashtra, to take the honors from our national president. Congratulations, ma'am, for the very well deserving awards for your services. Now, I would call upon another dedicated member of IMA, and I am really honored to say that she is a part of Mission Pink Health also, Dr. Archana Pate from Dombivli, Maharashtra. Congratulations, Dr. Archana Pate, for the very well-deserved award for your services towards mankind. Now, it's the turn of Dr. Roma Ratan from Bhubaneswar, Orissa, to be awarded as COVID warrior. Congratulations, Dr. Roma Ratan. Now, I would call upon Dr. Kirti from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Congratulations, ma'am, for the award and for your services. Thank you for your services towards COVID patients. Next is the turn of Dr. Rashmi Rao from Salem, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations, Dr. Rashmi, once again for being awarded as COVID warrior. Last but not the least, I would call upon Dr. Radhika Batra from JDN. She is a very enthusiastic worker and a very dedicated towards the mankind. Congratulations, Dr. Radhika, for your selfless efforts and services for COVID patients. So, once again, I must congratulate all the COVID warriors for the very well-deserved award for all the services you have done for the mankind. Now, I would hand over the mic to Nirmala, Dr. Nirmala again for the further program.
Thank you, Dr. Divya. That was a touching awards and giving certificates and recognitions to all those who deserved it. I'm sure it will encourage them and strengthen them for the more waves that lie ahead of us. Thank you, Dr. Divya. Now we go on to the main agenda of day 7, which is giving awards. One important part of the Safe Motherhood Committee was not just teaching the whole nation about what are the right practices to make mothers' lives safer, but also to involve the next generation, including students and postgraduates and the medical students network, into the process so that they feel a part of the country's movement in making safe motherhood a reality. The way we did that is by making a poster competition. And the results of the poster competition are going to be announced today, and that forms the next part of the program. So this is a poster competition that was circulated throughout our country. The theme of the poster was keeping mothers safe in the pandemic. The deadline was on the 4th of July, and we had 137 entries by then. We are continuing to get more and more great entries, but unfortunately, as they cross the deadline, we are not in a position to entertain them. And to judge this poster competition, we have 4 honorable judges. Each of them adorned in their own field, who are going to do justice by choosing the most meritorious entries of this poster competition. So, Dr. Marianne, would you like to introduce the first judge? Dr. Marianne?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good evening, everybody here. Very proud to introduce Dr. Hrishikesh Pai sir, the President-elect of National FOGSI. He's been Senior IVF Specialist, Bloom IVF Group. Best Doctor Award he has been awarded by the National IMA. He has got the Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 ISR, Fellowship NDM FRC OG at UK, President-elect Foxy 2022 to 2023, EC member,
IFFS.
IFF Foxy.
Foxy Money program. Yeah.
Thank
The
you,
next
Sis.
judge.
The next judge is Dr. Ashok Tripathi, alumni of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Raipur, Director, Tripathi Hospital, Raipur, member of Safe Motherhood Committee, National IMA, General Secretary, Chhattisgarh branch of Rajyapal Kalyan Parishad, Best National Award,
You can't see that, isn't it? Last, ma'am, it says past National Joint Secretary of the IMA CGP.
We welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ashok sir, you were there yesterday also as a chairperson.
Yeah.
We are honored to have you as the judge again today. Thank you, sir. The next judge is Dr. Nita Biani, and she was the past National Secretary of the IMA Women's Doctor Wing. She's also the convener for IMA Headquarters D4D Committee, a treasurer of the IMA Hospital Board in Maharashtra, and also a NABH assessor. A very friendly NABH assessor from what I could say of meeting her yesterday. And then we have a dynamic judge, Dr. Mona Desai, who is a pediatrician, a senior pediatrician from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She is the national chairperson of Women Doctors Wing, IMA and Gujarat State, immediate past president of IMA Gujarat, and the first postgraduate lady doctor president of Ahmedabad Medical Association, I think in 100 years, wasn't it, Mona madam? She has EC member. She's an EC member of South Nations CIMA Committee, and her awards include the Dr. Kanak Award, Dr. P.C. Butler Award, Excellence in Social Medical Field, which is her unique thing because she beautifully, flawlessly combines her social work with her medical support to the community. She has been the Doctor of the Year. She has been in the Indian Book of Records of 2020 by getting the highest number of pledges for organ donation. Herself is a Corona warrior, and also her social work includes adopting 1,000 municipal school children, and she provides them with free medicine, healthcare, and nutrition. So that's an awesome thing. Welcome, Mona madam. With this, we go on to the award ceremony. The winners of the poster competition were judged by these 4 judges, and the prizes were given on basis of the content. The posters with the most comprehensive and evidence-based content were chosen. There were also marks for the creativity of ideas, the aesthetics of presentation, and of course, the effort behind it. If it was just a cut and paste, then it received lesser marks because lesser effort. So with that, I invite our judge, Dr. Hrishikesh Pai, to come and do the honors of announcing the consolation prizes. So, sir, we welcome you.
Thank you.
So, are you ready, sir? Shall I change?
Yeah, sure. I think it's people must be waiting with bated breath. So let us go on right on to the job.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So the first consolation prize, number 3, goes to Dr. Sarela Prashant Kumar, and it's a lovely poster on Safe Motherhood. Congratulations, Dr. Sarela.
And that's his certificate.
He is from Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad, and is passionate about public health and becoming useful to people. That's good. Great. The second consolation prize goes to Somaya Gulam. She's a medical student, and she has done a beautiful poster. It's a nice and sketchy one and very creative as well. Congratulations, Somaya. She's a medical student, 2nd year, Deccan College of Medical Sciences, Telangana, and an effort to portray my mind through drawing. That's a quote. Fantastic. Great going. The first consolation prize goes to Dr. Akhila, and it's a beautiful, very multicolored poster, a lot of collages, and congratulations, Akhila. She is finally a PG student from the Department of Community Medicine, Osmania Medical College. Great, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. That was about the consolation prizes. You're used to consoling women as a part of being an expert senior fertility specialist. So I guess you are the best person to give the consolation prizes. Now I invite the next judge, Dr. Ashok Tripathi, and he will be announcing the third prize. So as you can see, the third prize is a tie between two contestants.
Yes.
Dr. Ashok, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So shall I put the next slide, sir?
For the third prize, we have two winners. First, Miss Eneria Abraham. She's intern. And you look, the poster is telling about all about the safe motherhood, how to prevent and what to do. You just see. And it was best judges, best judge for the third prize. Next one. She is from Kottayam, Kerala, Government Dharampuri Medical College. And while aiming for a PG in internal medicine, I love books, podcasts, and cooking. Good, very good. And second prize for the third prize, there is two. Second one, Dr. Sylvia Priya. And it poster also contains almost all prevention, breastfeeding, vaccination, if symptomatic, and what to our aim is to flatten the curve, all included. And she is doing her third year in PG obstetrics from Government Chengalepattu Medical College. And she said, women, be responsible for your health. Yes. And I say women are the key person of the society, and their health must be good.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations to prize winners. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the encouragement. Next judge, Neeta ma'am, are you ready to announce the second prize? Neeta ma'am? Neeta ma'am is not there. Mona ma'am, can you announce the second prize as well?
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Is Neeta ma'am there? She isn't,
She's
right?
there. She's logged in.
Neeta ma'am, I cannot see her.
Okay. Can I just give her a call or ask her?
Ma'am, Dr. Neeta is there. She is in. She has not renamed her.
Oh, okay.
Not renamed. She's there in blue blouse. Can you see that?
Ma'am, can you unmute yourself, Neeta ma'am?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah,
Neeta,
sorry for the delay.
No problem, ma'am. So, ma'am, we are going to announce the second prize today. So, I'll display the poster.
Yeah. First, I would like to congratulate everyone for their.
Ma'am, you're on mute. Neeta, ma'am?
Yeah, I think it is from the. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah. First of all, let me thank Dr. Jailal sir, Dr. Jayesh Lele sir, and the entire Safe Motherhood team, Dr. Datta sir, Dr. Erika, Dr. Yashoda ma'am, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Divya, and Dr. Santwana. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And I would like to congratulate everyone for their excellent efforts. It is a testament to your caliber that you all produced such excellent quality work in such challenging times. I am pleased to announce that our second prize winner is Dr. Idalya Ravi. Congratulations, Dr. Idalya Ravi, very well deserved.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. And final, then more prize we have been all waiting eagerly to see. Mona ma'am, please do the honors of announcing the first prize.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Nirmala. again, because this is going to be one which everybody is waiting for, and I'm fortunate enough to announce the winner of this e-poster. But before that, I would like to thank our National President, Dr. Jailal, Dr. Lele sir, our HCG. He has really, they have worked hard, and this was a wonderful Safe Motherhood Week. I think in the history of Indian Medical Association, this is the first time that we are having such kind of a week. And congratulations to Dr. Erika and the whole team, Dr. Datta, and all of you. You have done it wonderfully. Every day you had lovely speakers. It was very informative. And I'm sure from tomorrow onwards, we are going to miss all this. Right. So now the first prize goes to Dr. Vaidehi Shah. Vaidehi, congratulations. We all loved the way you did posters. I just want to tell everyone who is listening today that a poster is something which in one slide you can explain all your views and what has been asked for in a nice way, in a way people can see and decipher. And Vaidehi, you have done just that. Showing a globe with a mask shows that it is a pandemic, and that was wonderful. And you have covered everything for Safe Motherhood, right from like vaccination and exercise and food and regular checkups and everything. So wonderfully managed and done. This poster is really good. And I think all four of us, all our judges, we, at the first instant, we agreed upon your poster to be the first, have the first prize. So once again, congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Next slide.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So that's your,
yes, Vaidehi is a medical student, a third-year student. So that is so great because at this young age, you could think so well. And she is from AMC Medical College, Ahmedabad, so from my city. And I'm so proud about you, Vaidehi. Congratulations. And her quote is to use my knowledge, money, resources and energy in doing good and bringing smiles. All our blessings, beta. And we hope you make us more proud in future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So with that, we come to an end of the...
Nirmala, I'll just request National President, sir, and Honorable Secretary, sir, to just congratulate the winners.
Yes, sure. Jayesh, sir?
Yeah, I think Dr. Erika had mentioned to me regarding this poster competition. And I have been attending whenever there is a conference. I like to see the posters, especially done by the medical students, because what happens is, I see now we have been out of the medical college almost 42 years. So naturally, the new thinking is totally different, and their thinking is much more advanced. So we would also like to understand what is their thinking and what we were missing. Probably in during that time, such poster competitions and such conferences were probably not there. So poster conference, this competition always attracts me. And of course, she told me that there are more than 100 posters, and it must have been a very tough for the examiners to give the winners. So I am really happy. I saw all the posters, and I'm sure all the posters are very much interesting. I would request others not to get disheartened, but continue doing the good job. And at the same time, if it is possible, you can make a small PDF and send it to everybody, release it. We'll put it on our website. Let everybody see. Some of the posters might have just missed some point because of some little bit marks here and there. But I appreciate that all the posters, we must appreciate them. So make a PDF. It is very easy in the world, and we can give it to everybody. So thank you so much, Erika. Yes. And of course, the entire team, Rushikesh Pai, Dr. Mona Desai, Dr. Biani, everybody, I congratulate being a good examiner. And really, this poster competition was very interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And it was really tough judging these all girls, or I think everyone, 137 posters. It was really tough for us, but they were all wonderful. I think each and every poster was a winner.
I would also like to tell all the participants that President Sir has told me so they can expect some exciting prizes in their couriers very soon. It will be a surprise prize for all of them, and all these posters will go up on all IMA platforms, all social media platforms as the winning posters.
Thank you, Erika and entire team. We have no words to express our gratitude and thanks for the women fraternity for making such a phenomenal event of a safe motherhood, which has percolated every part of the country. Right now, both of us, myself and Secretary General, are in Kashmir. So we have seen your influence in Kashmir also. We have just seen in the medical college, the students, and where they were also knowing the safe motherhood. That means from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, it has percolated. So that is a great job which you have done. Excellent. I was just talking with Erika in the morning that bringing together all the high-fi ladies itself is a big job. Every one of you have your own ideas, your own way, but putting that together to make it and working in a unison, only IMA can do that. And that exactly we are able to establish today. I am getting more confident in Indian Medical Association because of seeing this. I know the women force, wherever they are leading, we have seen as a state president and as a national president, they have done extremely well. They have, and today in the safe motherhood, you have also proved that when an assignment is given to you, definitely there will be more and more the stalwarts will come into the pit. The way Madam Gargi Patel has worked, the way that Nirmala and Divya and Kavita, Yasoda, all these people, I mean, it's fabulous and excellent. IMA is so indebted to you. So now we are so confident if we can take a assignment, we can take a, definitely we will be able to go ahead in a very, very grand way. Academic is the slogan of this year. This year we wanted to concentrate more on the academic field. So a lot of things have been there. Whatever ideas you have, put it. Whatever plans you have, do not hesitate to bring it. Many times the good ideas and good the thoughts are getting aborted. It is not getting a proper delivery. Thinking in fear that whether people will accept, whether they will take it, or that in the fear many times you are not bringing out the good ideas. So please share your vision, share your ideas with us. Definitely, we are there to listen to that. We are ready there to extend your helping hand to that. So let this unity, let this force come together. You will be looking for some other agenda. Now already I have asked the next what I learned. A lot of people here. Nirmala is a good cyclist. I know she cycling for a long time in that. Every one of you. And Erika is an international marathon runner. So I will ask all of you to also put some work more on the fitness on the doctors. That I have assigned that responsibility again to
And we are
Erika.
working on app also, sir.
And
We are working on
that
app also.
yeah, that will be a great work too. So I do not want to just say the virtually, but definitely I would I just talked with the morning Erika. So we would love to have a live meeting where we would like to honor all of you for excellent work we done. So now we only we salute you for that excellent work. Whatever the way forward you want to carry on, please go ahead. We are with you. Do not worry about any obstacle. Do not worry about anything which is standing on your way. Myself and HSG are committed to serve with you and work with you. So
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
best. Looking forward
Thank
to
you,
hear
sir.
much
Thank
more
you,
greater
sir.
things.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
With that, we start off our valedictory function. So, Mary ma'am, can you give the welcome address?
Now starts. Now posters award distribution.
Can you hear me?
Yes, very clearly.
So nice to see you all here. My dear National President, Dr. Jailal, the Honorary Secretary General, Dr. Jaish, Honorary Finance Secretary, Dr. Arut Cohen, and the entire team, Dr. Ketan Sir, our Chief Patron and Doyen of our IMA, the Chairpersons of Safe Motherhood Committee, Dr. Datta, Women Doctors Wing, Dr. Yasoda, Mission Pink Health, Dr. Divya Saxena, the judges who are here, Dr. Pai Sir, Dr. Mona, Dr. Ashok Sir, and Dr. Nita Biani, all the state IMA presidents, secretaries, treasurers, and the entire team, and all the great leaders of IMA, and my dear fellow IMA friends. It's a great privilege for me to be a part of this great academic bonanza, and I thank you all for the great opportunity given to me. Hearty congratulations to our national president and the team and all the doctors involved in this forum who have really toiled to make this week-long program exclusively dedicated to the safe motherhood, a sensitive subject with sincere responsibility, a very successful one and a useful one for all those who are here. The speakers were so good and crisp in all their lectures, and all the panelists were of par excellence. The special appreciations are to all the chairpersons, and especially Dr. Erika, Dr. Nirmala, Dr. Narmada, and all youth who are involved in this academic event in full swing, totally dedicated and committed. It was a very well organized program, thoroughly prepared and rendered in a superb way. Thanks and applause to the DigiShield team, and congrats and blessings for the upcoming work too. And now today's program, the last day, which is going to end up in a very beautiful way with the beautiful posters contributed by our IMA members, packed with powerful message and poignant pictures. I really congratulate each one of you, and our judges have scrupulously selected the best ones, and it was a joint activity exclusively committed to IMA. So I have to thank each and everyone. It has become more a vote of thanks message, but I welcome each and everyone who are here for this wonderful activity. And I repeat, special congratulations to the National President. I'm looking forward to many other such programs in futures from our IMA. And let me wind up now with all good wishes and God's blessings. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's the time of the week when we stop talking academics and pat ourselves on the back for having been together through an exciting week, doing more really interesting programs with so much variety in topics and presentation, with the women of eminence in each day. So today we don't have a woman of eminence because today we have the women of prominence of IMA team, and we are here to celebrate that, to celebrate ourselves. So we need a day for that, and right now is that moment. So Mary Ann ma'am is going to call forth the first two pillars of the Safe Motherhood program. Mary ma'am.
Let me invite Dr. Divya Saxena here to offer her validatory speech here. And Nirmala, I should really appreciate the women of wisdom, Erika and you. You have really done it so beautifully and such a nice program, and it really did give us so much boost. So I should really congratulate
something that inspired us all. National IMA's idea, and it added so much value to the program as such.
Yeah. Excellent. Hats off to you both. Madam, over to you, ma'am. Dr. Divya Saxena.
Divya ma'am, you're on mute.
Thank you, Dr. Mary, for giving me this opportunity. Once again, a very good evening to all of you, and it's my proud privilege to be here as a part of the great initiative of IMA, that is Safe Motherhood Initiative. My regards, special regards to Honorable President Dr. Jailal Sir, HSD Dr. Jayesh Lele Sir, and all the eminent leaders of IMA, Dr. Ketan Desai Sir, Dr. Mona Ma'am, Dr. Ashok Seth, Dr. Rajeshwari Amma Ma'am, and the guest of the evening, Dr. Rishikesh Pai, Dr. and other eminent leaders from all over India. We know that in 2003, Government of India declared that the country will observe Safe Motherhood Day on April 11 every year. And it was the first country to do so. Pregnancy, we know, is the most important phase in women's life. There is a lot of concern to reduce maternal mortality and infant mortality also. It is the right of every woman to take good quality nutrition, proper healthcare services during and after pregnancy and childbirth. We know that data till date indicates that approximately 830 women die every day from preventable cause related to pregnancy and childbirth as per WHO. And it is a well-known fact that skilled care before, during, and after childbirth can save the lives of women and newborn babies. The target is to reduce the global MMR to less than 70 per 1 million births by 2030. And with no country having a maternal mortality rate of more than twice the global average. There have been many national initiatives by the government to ensure safe motherhood for women. And IMA leadership had also decided to launch an initiative and to observe National Safe Motherhood Week with an aim to raise awareness about adequate access to care during pregnancy, childbirth, and postnatal services, along with a focus on screening the population at large to reduce anemia among adolescent girls and women of childbearing age. And for the cause, 3 standing committees of IMA, the Safe Motherhood Committee, Women Doctors Wing, and Mission Pink Health Wing have put a lot of efforts to organize an exhaustive week-long series of webinars to impart the knowledge about all the aspects of motherhood, starting from adolescent to all the stages of life of a woman till postpartum period and lactation. I would take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Honorable National President, Dr. Jailal Sir, and HSD Dr. Jayesh Lele Sir for showing faith and giving us such a huge responsibility to organize the program. I hope we would have been able to do the justice, and we assure you, sir, to leave no stone unturned to make this initiative a great success in future. This is really very encouraging to see the enthusiasm of all the IMA members who have attended the webinars from the very first day, and they are ready to work for the well-being of women's health also. My gratitude to Honorable Dr. Ketan Desai sir for always being a guiding force for IMA and all of us. I am very thankful to all the esteemed guests from different organizations for joining us for this very noble cause, especially FOPSI and Safe Motherhood Wings for FOPSI. I would like to thank the Safe Motherhood Committee Chairperson, Dr. D.K. Datta sir, and Dr. Erika for their marathon efforts to make this dream come true. My heartfelt thanks to WTW leaders, Dr. Yashoda ma'am and Dr. Kavita for their unconditional support from time to time to each and every need of ours. My sincere thanks to our technical partners for everything they did to bring colors to the show. Last but not the least, my gratitude and love to all the MPH team members for being with me there whenever and wherever I need their support and help. I would like to thank God Almighty Himself. He gave me difficult tests, but He also gave me the willpower to emerge as a winner. Once again, I wholeheartedly thanks to all of you for being an important part of the show. Thank you once again, and thank you, once again, namaste to all of you.
So that was
Dr. Mary, you're not audible.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Dr. Divya Saxena, that was a wonderful message sent by you. We really feel proud to have you here, and then we really did have a very good academic knowledge, and we were really happy and we really enjoyed the entire show. Thank you so much. Now over to my dear Dr. Yasoda, the chairperson of Women Doctors Wing, ever smiling, ever active, ever bubbly. Over to you, Dr. Yasoda.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your lovely, nice words, Dr. Mary Ann and Dr. Nirmala Jayashankar. Really to all, my respects to Dr. Jayesh Lele sir, my dear sister Dr. Mona ji and Dr. Neeta Biyani ji, and other distinguished dignitaries who are over there. Also goes Dr. Divya, Dr. Rita. We wholeheartedly thank our National President and HSC for giving us this project of Safe Motherhood. Even though we were not able to see in person, we were able to see and work together virtually with Dr. Erika from day one. We started the work about 2 months before itself. Every day calling, seeing through chat. And Dr. Dilip Datta, thanks for the game, even virtual talk and CMEs, which it is not so easy to get them at one place. Actually, it's very difficult. If you had to call them, you have to call about many number of times and get their concurrence. But still, virtually, we were able to do a very nice with the great brief of Dr. Erika for the past days. It was a mind-blowing program which again and again our National President and HSC. Congratulations to the winners, poster winners of today. And so soon the week is over. I feel very sad. I want some more. I feel that. I think everybody has the same feeling. I thank all the national state leaders, the local branch leaders for their great support to come and participate in the everyday program without any hesitation. My special thanks goes to Dr. Kavita, secretary of mine. She has really done a good work, very cooperative, and the team, my WD team, for their good cooperation. Thank you all. You all very soon.
Thank you, Dr. Yashoda. As usual, you rocked. And I should say, your day, you really followed the IMA protocols in order. So I was really very, because with all the busy schedule, everybody, here and there, maybe one or two things would have been missed. But you really did it according to the protocol, starting from the IMA prayer till the end. And I could see you every day in the chat room, fully bubbling there, and that was so nice of you. I wish you all the best, and I wish and expect more from you throughout this IMA tenure. Thank you and congratulations. And my special congratulations to Dr. Kavita also, who has been with you throughout, and she needs a special mention here. Congrats to you, Dr. Kavita, and thanks to you also. Thank you.
Thank you, Mary ma'am. And just like Yashoda ma'am is for Kavita, you have been for me. I haven't said this before, but your positivity and encouragement has made me want to be more active and try doing these kind of activities. So thank you for the opportunity, Jailal sir, the Jayesh Lele sir, Safe Motherhood Committee, and of course, Erika. So coming to that, let's go on to the Safe Motherhood Committee chairperson, none other than our veteran obstetrician, humanitarian, poet, author, and I don't know, so much more talents that I might not know of. May I ask Mrs. Datta, I think. So Dr. Dilip Kumar Datta, we encourage you to come forward and say a few words with us, sir. Sir has also written a poem, which I'll be reading soon. But sir, please first tell a few words.
From the core of my heart, for last 7 days, even 2 months before, Erika and myself always talking in my chat that what we're going to do it. And so ultimately we have done everything in success. My thanks to the Ketan Desai Char, Jailal sir, Lele, and all officials of IMA, who has given us a free hand to make this one a success. In the first day, I have published one books written by me and Erika, The Enemy Are How Safe and Indian Women. We are also going to publish the genital cancer, How Safe in Indian Women within 1 month. All the speakers for last 7 days have done the excellent work, and their feedback, and we think we will publish a book for their feedback, what given the feedback. That we cannot save the mother because in spite of the government effort, now the safe mother, they say maternal mortality comes down to 130 per 1 lakh. But in many states like Bimaru state, like Assam, Uttar Pradesh, I think still maternal mortality is high. So we are planning to organize a webinar on maternal mortality in different states in the coming days in the first month of August. Next, we'll find out the feedback of the state, and then we'll plan how to prevent the maternal. Say, particularly in Assam, there is a maternal death in Dibrugarh is more due to anemic in the garden worker, because garden worker, female worker are suffering with the anemia because of hookworm infestation. So I have gone through all through India when I was a Foxy, vice president and chairperson of. So I travel all through the India. Say if you go to the Meghalaya, you find the most cause of death is malaria in pregnancy. So therefore we can prevent many things. So I'm not going to details, but our main idea, madam, to help each other. To say very frankly, until unless we reduce the teenage pregnancy, until unless we increase the marriage date above 20 years, we cannot reduce the maternal mortality in India because of socioeconomic problems. In the rural area, maternal rate is still very high. Industrial area is very high. So we have to come forward. I think under our leadership, we can do it. But we have to go to rural area. Because my experience for the last 50 years in the rural area is a very bad experience. So I hope with all the female, I've seen when I talk, they're all the females. So thank you very much. This is a poem I'm making. It will come in the song. Please start.
Can anybody hear? No, I see by not able to hear.
Not able to hear.
So sir is basically reciting a poem, and I have the poem with me. I request you all to imagine Datta sir's voice as I read his words. Oh mother, where you are, searching you everywhere. You left me after my birth. Heard that you died due to loss of blood. Oh mother, where you are, searching you everywhere. With your blood, I am now a doctor. I promise you, with my innovative work, no mother will die due to a loss of blood. No child will lose their mother. Oh mother, where you are, searching for you everywhere. After fulfilling my commitment on earth, again I will go to your place and sleep on your lap forever. Oh mother, where you are, searching you everywhere. I get goose flesh when I read this poem.
Yeah, I know it. Hello.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
one thing, this is just I'm telling you, I have done many innovative work. Say management of placenta previa, this is my work. Doctor scoring system, how to prevent a PPS due to uterine atony. Now, if you pull the Googles, Doctor Scholar, Googles, you find all this paper has come from Asian journal, other journals. So my intention is very clear. I am very much working the PPH. So all the method I developed in my books also. And this time you are happy to learn that FIGO World Congress in Australia, they have taken 1 hour for me for the doctor's techniques of scoring system. This me in the first in the world, the doctor scoring system of uterine atony. So with this, thank you very much. In coming years, again I'll do. If you want any help, you want to write in my books, you are always welcome to come and write to me. Thank you very much. And
Thank you,
also,
sir.
Erika, just like my sister, daughter was there, anywhere, whatever she will tell, I am going to do.
Thank you.
And I must, his poem, well, it is coming like a song in
Yes.
Hindi, Bengali, and divine language. Is coming song. The English I will make the song because it is too late. And this is I'm dedicated to my anchor and mentor is to the teacher So I told Erika, pass this poem to your father because I made probably from this. And thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, from the chairperson of the Safe Motherhood Committee, we go on to the convener of the Safe Motherhood Committee. I request convener Dr. Erika Patel to come, but before that, I need to tell you that I met Dr. Erika Patel only through this committee, and I have been, what can I say, just one word, wow. She's awesome. So she not only runs 42 kilometers, she does it just 1 year after her childbirth. Then she does it while studying for, I don't know, she's got like endless degrees. Right now, she's on to her PhD. And in between that, she multitasks and gets all these conferences. Perfect. Her organization is perfect to the point of a T. If none of us can do it, she'll find a way to do it. She never says, okay, if we cannot do it, just leave it. That's what I do. But she gets it done. She somehow sits on it, breaks that brain of hers and tweaks the brain of her and finds a way to get things done. Technical difficulties, people's appointments are different. They want to change our schedule, whatever it is, she fits in just like that. So thank you, Dr. Erika. It's been very inspiring working with you. And now I wish to hear your experience. We all wish to hear your experience.
Thank you so much for your kind words, Dr. Nirmala. Respected National President, Sir, HSG, Sir, all state presidents, IMA leaders, our valued guests, participants, students, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on the behalf of the entire team of Safe Motherhood Committee, express my profound gratitude to our National President, Dr. Jailal Sir, who has been the driving force behind this whole process and without whose support we wouldn't have been able to achieve these heights. I express my gratitude to our Honorary Secretary General, Dr. Jayesh Lele Sir, for sparing his valuable time out of his busy schedule each day, even if I call him 10 times in a day, to help us organize even the smallest details in this webinar. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Vinay Agarwal, Dr. Rajan Sharma, Dr. Ravi Vankhetkar, and Dr. Mona Desai, and various other IMA leaders for their wholehearted support and for being such an inspiring mentor to somebody who's so junior like me. I thank the chairman of Safe Motherhood Committee, Dr. Dilip Kumar Datta, for his minute-to-minute guidance and support and for providing encouragement to me at every point in the organization of this conference. An event like this definitely cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling months ago, and I have been fortunate to be backed by Women Doctors Wing and Mission Pink Health, both of them. My very, very special thanks to Dr. Divya Saxena, Dr. Yashoda, Dr. Santwana, and Dr. Kavita, who have worked day and night tirelessly along with me for this event. I would like to thank my core team, Dr. Juhi Choksi, Dr. Narmada, Dr. Nirmala Vijay Kumar, Dr. Karki Patel, and Dr. Mary and Madam, who have been constantly in touch with me since the last 2 months and who have taken care of the smallest of details to make this a huge success. Where I'm really happy to announce that we had a total of 5,250 registrants over a period of 7 days. I feel extremely happy and content when I saw various activities which were carried out apart from these webinars nationwide under the Safe Motherhood Week banner, and I will give out a detailed report of all of this in the coming weeks. But for now, I would like to say that there were so many IMA branches, from anemia detection camps to training of ASHA workers to blood donation camps. They have celebrated Safe Motherhood Week. Branches like IMA Assam, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Orissa, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Tripura, all of them have done activities in their respective cities with one motive: to spread awareness amongst patients as well as healthcare workers regarding safe motherhood practice. Very, very, very happy about this. I thank all the other delegates who registered for this conference, without which this would not have been a success. I thank my digital team, DigiShield, especially Mr. Dipin and Mr. Piyush, and also Meenaji and Yogeshji from IMA for taking care of all the technical aspects and ensuring that everything was a smooth run. All the webinar recordings are available on IMA social media sites like YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. They are already there. You can access it. You can ask your students, ask anybody they can go and see it. The lectures will individually be also uploaded on the IMA website, and we are going to try and even translate them into local languages so that you can spread this amongst ASHA workers and ANA workers for training them. My sincere request to all the state branches to take this information and translate it in the local languages. So that my only wish is that even the pregnant women in rural areas and villages benefit out of all of this information that has been shared. My next aim is to next fulfill IMA's main mission to screen 1 million women for anemia detection across the country, with the only mission to bring down maternal mortality in India. Expression of gratitude and thankfulness is one of the toughest tasks to dispense. It has indeed been a great pleasure, and thank you one and all. Thank you so much.
Erika,
Erika,
amazing job.
Hello, Erika.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
We want to publish a book. All the feedback you sent to me, within 1 month, I publish the book. It will come. Otherwise, documented should be always there. Otherwise, after 2 years, everybody forget what you have done it. So better make the book. What the feedback, whatever the lecture you given, we have to find out, and I'll make the book. And it will be whole life. It will be stay in the IMA library. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was a very deep vote of thanks. Thank you, Dr. Erika. We're all still catching our breath after hearing those words. It was been a very long journey, though it was just 1 week, right? And we still have to go further. So thank you, team. I think we can call it a night. Before we finish, let us play the national anthem.
Yes.
Jailal sir and Secretary General, would you like to say anything else, sir? Would you like to add anything?
No, it is excellent. I'm so thankful.
Sir, our poem, sir.
Huh?
How is the poem?
My poem.
Your poem is always excellent. It is not.
No, I'm making a song, sir, in the form of song in different language.
Come. Today we are also in a happy mood because we're just seeing an IMA house in Kashmir. That our dream, and it will be also starting very soon in October, where we will be inaugurating that building. It was way back in 2002. Our Honorable Dr. Ketan Desai sir has put the foundation. Now I will have the privilege to finish that meeting. That is a good work we are doing. So all of you put your mind together and give some inputs to what next we can do. Safe Motherhood is one of the priority week, which we have heard. It is throughout the country and even internationally it has gone. So this is a very good carry forward message, which I'm sure we will be able to do in all the states. We'll do. Otherwise, I'm so happy. I'm able to see my wife, seeing from Kashmir. Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari to Kashmir.
I'm here in Kashmir, so that is the strength of Indian.
All our IMA members from Marthandam are also seeing. Couldn't notice us, Dr. Jailal.
Thank you. I'm so grateful to you. Please, we will make this a big event in a live program also. We will be going to have that. Erika, our trust on you has shown the fruit. I have troubled you. So,
No, sir.
thank you.
Not at all.
But Erika really did an amazing job. You were really very good. Congratulations and God bless you.
I couldn't see Dr. Vinay today. Vinay sir is not there. Vinay sir, you are here?
He has attended every single webinar.
Yeah, that is what I am just asking. I would like to have some words from him if he is here.
I don't think he's here, sir, today.
Okay, he has some problem in there.
Thank you.
Jayesh sir?
Thank you. For making the national anthem.
Yes.
Jayesh sir, do you wish to say anything, sir? Would you like to add?
I think our national president has said all the things, and as desired by him, the things have fallen absolutely in a proper shape and proper phase manner. Whatever topics were selected were very touching, very important, very informative, and really the safe motherhood, our title, has really been touched upon completely. I am very happy, first of all, in one thing, that new stars in IMA we have been identifying. And that is how our myself and the national president, even when today, we just now spoke about the Kashmir issue, we were there and we could find some 2-3 new people who will work for IMA, as in a dedicated manner. Because that is what our aim is, that some more and more the leadership qualities must come into the IMA, and they should take the work onwards. Because ultimately that is how our expansion is there. Only membership 3 lakh, 3-5 lakhs, there is no meaning. We need more and more quality. So that is what we have achieved at all the states, branches, members, more than 5,000 attendance. And what else you want? Because 7 days the program is running, and every day something new is being occurring. And of course, there is no end to it, that this we should continue. I'm very thankful to the entire team. First of all, National President for conceiving this program, selecting the chairperson, Dr. Erika Patel, and 3 teams have come together, and new stars have born in the IMA. That's what I feel. And especially the entire ladies wing, we should want more and more lady communities and participate in our day-to-day programs also. So definitely the fitness is another topic which he has selected, and I'm sure you all work on this, and of course we are there to support. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity and doing the great job. All the best for future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
It was only born because we were always talking about fight, lot of confrontation with the government, confrontation with Baba Ramdev and things. That time we decided that something positivity we should do. That was what we decided, and it has effectively come. It was unplanned pregnancy, but it has.
But it was delivered safely.
It was a safe motherhood.
It's not over, sir. We still have 1 million women
Safe
to
motherhood
screen.
is not over. It's still
Yeah.
your child is getting married,
Definitely.
still that it continues.
And we will deliver the app also, sir, to keep young women healthy. So we have more projects on the line.
Please, please.
Yes. National anthem. Please let us all stand.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Nirmala, thank you so much.
Thank
You
you.
did it very well in that show. Thank you so much.
Each and everyone.
Congratulations to Nirmala.
Thank you each and everyone. And Nirmala, you are doing excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, I will sing a poem next time, sir. I will learn
I think
Bengali and I will sing.
I think in the month of August again you will come. In the month of August, we are planning to do 2 or 3 days program on the maternal death from different states. After taking permission from our president and the secretary. Okay. So thank you for leaving.
Dr. Divya, shall we go on a vacation?
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
It was a
Vacation.
wonderful.
Erika, just let us know when, how. We have bags. I think your bags are already packed.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Dr.
Thank you,
Erika,
everyone, and good night to all.
Nirmala, ma'am, everyone.
Nirmala, special congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nirmala has done a great job. Congratulations, Nirmala.
Oh, thank you.
Divya ma'am, you also like we really did have a very good time. The whole week we'll be missing everybody here.
Yes. Yeah, it's become a bonding. But our team is still there. The committee is still there. And so
Hi,
we've got
Dr.
more.
Nirmala,
Yes,
can
sir.
it be possible? Can it be possible for every week for 1 hour? We have the chat of our committee of 3. Can you do every week for 1 hour just to stay with each other?
Sure, sir. We'll try, sir.
Oh,
We have more projects coming up, so we will be chatting anyway. So thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you, good night, everybody.
Relax tonight, Erika, after being so hectic week. Relax
I
tonight.
know.
Have a good
Vacation. Go for a run, Erika. Run, baby, run.
Relax.
Thank you all.
We're proud of
Dr.
you.
Nirmala, ma'am, it was nice
Ishwata, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, good night.
Thank you, Bhuya, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Dr. Bhuya, thank you.
Bye.
Punita, thank you. Purnima, thank
Well
you.
done, Nirmala. Nice anchoring, Nirmala. Like, very good.
Ramondo Patel, sir, thank you. Babita madam, thank you very much.
Parties and winners of
Yes, sir.
competition.
Yes, sir. See you all.
Hi, Kavita ma'am. कैसे हैं?
Yes, Vinita ma'am. Okay.
Shudha ma'am, ये तो बहुत अच्छा. It was a good.
Purnima ma'am. Okay. Bye, Purnima ma'am.
Dr. Gargi, Dr. Mona ma'am, Dr. Ma'am, it was really good. All